This video will help you become familiar with the platform and learn how to use it. To get started, please click on the provided link to access the landing page. Enter your registered email address, and a login code will be sent to your email. Use this code to log into the platform. Once logged in, you can explore all the universities and their information under the University Info tab. To begin your virtual room experience, navigate to the virtual lobby and select your university. Click on the Start/Enter button to enter your virtual booth. Make sure to grant permissions for audio and video, and then click the Join button to initiate your virtual room. On the right panel, you'll find a live chat option for interacting with other participants. Under the People section, you can see the participants in your booth. In the Spectator section, all live participants in your booth can see and hear you. To invite them to join an interactive session, ask them to raise their hands. Additionally, you can engage in one-on-one chats through messages. To further enhance your booth, click on the logo in the top right corner of your screen and access the exhibitor dashboard. This function allows you to add or edit your profile. You can include images and videos by providing YouTube or Vimeo links. Additionally, add information and descriptions about your university, along with social media links. You have the option to include brochures in your virtual booth, allowing students to easily download them directly from your booth. You can also add custom CTA links to your profile. Furthermore, you can add your listing banner image to your university profile. You can also view your team members. If you wish to add more team members, please contact the events team. You can incorporate your product services. You can also add product videos into your virtual booth. We hope you find this video helpful.